Hi everyone, this is Daphne and I'm here to solve math problems with you. And you're welcome to send me math problems and I will try to solve it and come back with a solution. But as of now, I will just begin to pick problems here and there. Like today, I'll be solving on linear geometry. And I will just pick a problem. For example, a problem that says solve the equation. So for us to be able to do this, you need to have some basic knowledge in math. Now, the first problem we are going to solve, like I said, this is linear geometry. And if you have a problem with my writing, you're not seeing anything, please let me know. I'll try to fix it. I'm not saying criticize. Some people just come with bad energy. So we are going to solve an equation. The problem is solve the equation. I might not have to be copying all this, but the equation is 3x minus x minus 7 equals 4x minus 5. And for us to solve this equation, we have to be strategic. We have to distribute this negative sign here into this parenthesis. Okay, I know if you're listening to me from other parts of the world, when I call parenthesis, you'll be confused. But this is called brackets. For some parts of the world, this is called parenthesis. But the first thing I'm going to do is to distribute this negative sign into this parenthesis. That's the first step I'm going to do. So that is going to be 3x x times minus times this x is minus x. Minus times minus is plus 7 equals 4x minus 5. The next thing is I'll bring the like terms together. What are like terms? Terms that are the same. For example, this term has an x, this has an x, this has an x, and then I bring the ones that has no x. For example, like terms could also be terms that have x squared. So here we have 3x minus x, and I will bring this 4 to this side. And if you are a math student, you know if you cross an equal sign with a number, it is going to change. The sign in front of that number changes. So if I cross it to this side, it becomes minus 4. Minus 4x plus 7 equals minus 5. And then I will add up this or subtract it, whatever is in front. So 3x minus x is 2x minus 4x, 2x minus 4x. So if I want to go every step, I'll have 2x minus 4x. Then I'll take the 7 to the other side. When I cross to the other side, plus 7 is going to become negative 7. This will become 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 7. And 2x minus 4x is minus 2x, which equals minus 12. Now I can divide both sides by minus 2 because I want to make x to stand alone. So I'll have minus 2, and I will have minus 2 here. We'll cancel this minus 2. And then I'll have minus 2 will cancel minus 12 6 times. You see the minus cancels the minus. So x will be equal to 6. So we have solved that problem. Or I will give you another variation of solving this problem. Not that it's a different thing, but it's just from this step here. For another person, we will have 3x minus x plus 7 equals 4x minus 5. And 3x minus x is 2x plus 7 equals minus 4 equals 4. I'm sorry. Equals 4x minus 5. Okay. To other people, the easiest way to solve this, when I say crossing the equal sign, it is confusing to some people. So to other people, it will be, I have to add, there is a 7 here. I have to subtract 7 from both sides of the equation to get rid of this 7 here. So that will be 2x plus 7 minus 7 equals 4x minus 5 minus 7. And you can see that this and this will go away. And my equation becomes 2x equals 4x minus 12. The next thing I will do is I will subtract 4 because I don't want 4 here. I'll subtract 4 from both sides of the equation to get rid of this 4 on the side, 4x on the side. I'll subtract 4x. So I have 2x minus 4x is equal to 4x minus 4x minus 12. That way I also get rid of this and I have 2x minus 4x is minus 2x equals minus 12. And we come back to this equation we had here, which implies if I divide through, dividing through by minus 2, I will have minus 2x all over minus 2x equals minus 12 divided by minus 2. Sorry, I'm making a bad mistake here. Divided by minus 2. So minus 2 will cancel. Minus 2 will cancel into 12 6 times. And x is equal to 6, just like we had it in the first situation. Again, I am going to write down another equation. And you can stop the video and try to solve it by yourself. And then come back and play it back and see if you got the right answer. So let's try to solve this question, similar to the one we just solved. 5x plus 2x minus 3 equals x plus 5. So you can pause this video, try to solve it, and see if you got the right answer. And then you come and play it back to see whether you got the same thing as I did. So what is the goal here? Again, we are going to distribute plus sign to this, and open the parenthesis is a plus sign, so it's not going to affect, change nothing about what is in the parenthesis. So our first step is 5x plus times 2 is plus times 2x will be plus 2x, plus and minus will be minus 3 equals x plus 5. And then now we will try to bring the like terms together. Here we can see 5x plus 2x is 7x minus 3 equals x plus 5. So the next thing I'm going to do is I have 3 here, which I need to bring it to this side. And I have x here, which I need to bring it to this side to bring the like terms together. So first I will work with 3. Since I have a minus 3 here. I'm going to add 3 on both sides so that it will make the side to be 0. So I have 7x minus 3 plus 3 equals x plus 5 plus 3. So I have minus 3 plus 3 gives me 0. So I now have 7x is equal to x plus 5 plus 3 gives me 8. The next thing I'm going to try to do is to bring this x to this side. Now, in other parts of the world, the simplest thing is just say, I take this and I cross this equal sign. But when I cross an equal sign with any number, if the number was positive, it's going to become negative. If the number was negative, it's going to become positive on the other side. But in other parts of the world, like in America where I am, they don't go by that. They think that it's easier to say, okay, I have x on this side, so let me subtract x on both sides of the equation to make this x go away. So that's what I'm going to do. 7x minus x equals x minus x plus 8. So I'm subtracting x from both sides because I want this one to cancel, to become 0. So I have 6x now equals x minus x is 0. So I only have 8 here. And now I can do both sides, divide everywhere by 6 to make x stand alone. So now I have 6x divided by 6 equals 8 divided by 6. 6 will cancel. And I will have x is equal to 8 divided by 6. And again, I can look for factors that will divide this to simplify this problem. I can see that 2 can divide 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this answer is 4 divided by 3. That is x is equal to 4 all over 3. That is the answer. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Like I said, if you have any particular questions you want me to solve, you're welcome. Send it to me and we will work on it. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.